If you ever need to grab a color from a website fast, Firefox has a super handy built-in tool that makes it easy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get colors from a website using Firefox step by step so you can copy exact color codes without guessing or using extra software. This is really useful for designers, developers, creators, and anyone who wants to match colors perfectly from a web page. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Firefox and go to the website that has the color you want to copy. Make sure the page is fully loaded so you can pick the exact area you need. Now look to the top right corner of Firefox and click the menu button, which is the icon with the 3 horizontal lines. This opens the main Firefox menu, where you'll find extra browser tools and settings. From here, move down and click More Tools. This section contains several helpful browser features, and one of them is the color picker. In the More Tools menu, click Eyedropper. Once you select it, Firefox will activate the Eyedropper tool, allowing you to inspect colors directly on the page. Now simply hover your mouse over any color on the website. As you move around the page, Firefox will show you the color code for whatever you're pointing at. This is the exact code you can use for design work, branding, editing, or web development. When you find the color you want, click it. Firefox will automatically copy the color code to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need it. You can then open your design software, text editor, or code project and paste the color right away. This saves time and makes it much easier to match colors accurately. And that's it. You've now learned how to get colors from a website using Firefox in just a few simple clicks. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy browser tips, software tricks, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.